first question is about the animals who are slaughtered in Hajj. What shall we do with the meat?
The animals which are slaughtered during the Hajj, what should we do with the meat?
I think that should be eaten up. All of it should be consumed. And it is consumed by the Arab Bedouins. The Holy Quran, speaking of Hajj, mentions that this is a means of showing Allah's grace by providing you also with food. Now this is one of the means. Atamahum min ju'in, which is the same God of this Mecca who fed them when they were hungry. So throughout history it is registered that the Bedouins, who have no other source of getting meat, always crowd around the slaughtered animals and vanquish with them immediately. And they have their own ways and means of drying it up in the sun so that the meat is automatically preserved and it can last till the next Hajj. So they, as I told you, they gather all the meat they can possibly, and they are such experts at preservation of meat. That's amazing. All the slaughtered animals immediately disappear, and the Bedouins take them away. Now, instead of that old system, it was the responsibility of Saudi Arabian government to install a new plant with to preserve the meat which is slaughtered immediately as it is slaughtered, and those bags of such meat or cans of such meat should have been provided free to all the Bedouins in the area. This should have been the modern alternative of that. So I'm very happy that you thought of a question which is so relevant. Jazakumullah.